Alright guys, so in this video I will show you guys how to sign up for TradingView and how to use TradingView as a complete beginner, how to sign up, how to get a free trial, the pro plan trial, and how to set up your charts, add in indicators and all this good stuff in this video. So let's get started. So what you want to do is click the first link in the description. It will lead you straight up to TradingView, or you can just search for TradingView on your browser. TradingView. And it will bring you to this page. What you want to do is click on the first link, track all markets, TradingView. Then you could click on this. Then you click on this get started blue button. And what you want to do is you want to come down to this point and look at this, guys. You can get the highest version of TradingView for free. All right. So TradingView is a very sophisticated platform, and as simple as using this pro version, you can have a lot to do on TradingView. But personally, I use the Pro Plus version. But let's just say you're starting out newly and you want to test out the full features of TradingView. I would suggest you just come here and click on the highest version, the premium version, and click on continue with your Gmail account. So you can sign up using multiple options. You can use Google, you can use Facebook, you can use Twitter, Yahoo, your iPhone, iCloud account, your Apple accounts, your LinkedIn, or your plain email. But I'll be sign up using my Google account. Alright guys, so I'll be using this Gmail account for this signing up. So let me put in my password real quick. And as you can see, I just got in, and it's going to tell you choose a photo. You can just click on the photo and just select any picture you have. Or guys, this session is not necessary. It's not necessary at all. I just want to show you guys in case you want to set up your photo for your account. You can just set it up like this. So you choose your username, and let's just say XO Tobe, and you can click on this. I like to opt in for marketing emails because TradingView likes to send out some emails on some deals and offer for free trial and discounts on the pro versions and the premium versions. So you can click on that and just press on continue. Okay, the name isn't alright, so let me put it together. Maybe they don't accept space on the username, so we'll just click on continue. And as you can see, we are in, guys. Access the charts. You want to click on this chart on the products, click on chart. Alright guys, so this is what the chart looks like. So guys, let's set this chart up real quick. Alright boys, so to set the chart up, you want to come to this this icon, your profile image, and click on it. I prefer to use the dark mode. You can leave it as white mode, but because of my eyes, I like to use dark mode. Okay, so I usually like to take out this volume because I don't need it for the way I trade. I like to click on this, drag it down, so it's not necessary. You want to click and remove every pair or currency you're not using, and add in only those currencies and pairs that you use most times to trade. So I trade currency, Forex, I trade Euro USD, G. I don't trade GU at the moment, so I'll be taking that out. You can drag and drop the pairs you want to use. So you can say I dragged and dropped that one. So I'll be taking out BTC and the rest of them because at the moment I don't trade Bitcoin. Just because of this is Christmas and all this good stuff, and the market is really volatile now, so I just want to take a break off of trading crypto and the rest of them. So these are the only pairs I focus on trading, and as you can see, the chart is already set up, everything is set up. So guys, if you want to add in your indicator, this is where you add your indicator. Let's just do an example of that. Let's say I want to add in RSI, relative strength index. You can see it right here. Add that to your chart, see it on your chart here. So you can rescale it and resize it by just hovering above the indicator and dragging it down like this. Let's add in a moving average, EMA. And as you can see, guys, just come to this search and search for any indicator you want to use. I assure you that TradingView has a lot of indicators that you will be surprised that I don't think there's any indicator you will look for and not see it on TradingView. So let me use EMA 200, and you can see this is just beautiful as it looks. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. All right, So I'll see you guys in the next video.